On the 4th of July, 2016, when the new moon came upon our land. It was 1690, of 326 years, our Boan was put in bondage hand. From the Newgrange womb of Thoth and Noth, Our Lady could not give birth no more, but a time has elapsed. The forces are vast, it's a credit to Earth's new kind at last. For old souls are they who have generously played a tune in accord with Or and more. From giants of might to fairy delight, the garden is ready once more. A manna, a serpent, and a law of one does not mean the law of 1%, for all the pretty pennies are not for the plenty and are definitely not heaven sent. Oh, heavenly delight to end this dark night and free our Bóinne and all her shining delights. And I am nation, a bright salmon nation, all is well, con la wishaba. Dagda, to the left. Up, door. Row, eagle. Air, with a cut shot. Look, to the east. Ash, Istra. Jaguar, Ram. Maya, Sun, Titi. Pachamama, Edit, North Moon, South, Earth. Boyne, Bridget, Water, Moon, Dolphin, Wolf, Coyote, Mamakia. Ragman! Mariganum! Isula! Sino Perag! Kanu Perag! Awishaba Oshi! That shines through the cosmos, draw me closer in harmony to thy flame, one with all things, and all things in one, fire of the life strain, one with the brain. Mighty Spirit, from the great flower shine forth through the darkness to free the mother of waters. Water Goddess Boan, from her bondage. Come from the halls where the seven lords rule. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. By their names I called you in me and free Boan from this matrix and all our children. Tanas, Huertas, Quito, Boyana, Puerto, Zambeta, Ordo. By their names I implore thee to free Boan, Eru, Manba, Odla, the blessed souls, the sacred animals, and beings of Danu, Pachamama, and our brothers and sisters world over from this bondage. I offer the breaking of the cords, to free the goddess and all our people from this bondage. The white calf buffalo, the white wolf, the white eagle, the white swan. Breaking the code. Reborn from this matrix hold. Let your feet free again. Offer our gratitude, Mother of Waters. May your children be free again. Dory Lila, Dory Lila, Dory Lila. La Om Il Gunuba, La Om Il Ganuba, La Om Il Ganuba. Makut El Shab El Hal Serben. El Sabrot Sin Nafrim Karal. With these 3 stones I open the portals. I open the Milky Way, the free, Ireland's children. I am Kanshai, I am lights, effluence is my being, for me are no barriers. Open I command by the secret of secrets, Edom El Ahim Sabert, Suradam. Verbu August Banacht. Awishaba, Awishaba, Awishaba. A Falis Tukad an Lafal, a Goliath Tukad an Sleg, Boyi, Alug, a Findus Tukad, Kladub, Nuada, a Murius Tukad, Kari, Andagda, Bear, Boa, August Banacht. Awishaba. Awishaba, Awishaba. Thank you, spirits. Thank you, guides. Thank you, AU. Thank you, PMT, Pachacota Messer Tradition. Thank you, Night Magic. Thank you, AU, from around the world, tuning in. Awishaba. Haley Wilka, Halek Pachamanta, Saiwa. On this new moon on the Boyne, may Ireland be one. 5 set of 1.
In good heart,
in good heart,
community,
yes,
in brotherhood, in sisterhood, in abundance, in joy, in peace, in sacred inspiration. Poetry and music and song and the possibilities of all our nation and joy and sacredness. Okay, so the egg of new birth and possibilities. One, that's the sacred beginning, and now it's been born, and another one coming. Yes, they're all coming into being. Okay, and then use some tobacco as well. To sacred tobacco, to the sacred fires. May they inspire us with pure passion of new possibilities and creativity and courage going forward. Gifts to the water spirits, yeah. may this be joined into the cosmic ocean of to seed all new wondrous possibilities. Enjoy and wondrous abundance. Okay. Yeah. Mila Wakus, on spirits. Mila Wakus on the Kiradul. Mila Wakus does the Sinchonita.
From the redwood forest